secret billionaire who's shopping there.
He identifies as a billionaire.
No.
Okay, the customer's...
He doesn't have any motives with it.
Okay. Broke billionaire.
Yes.
Okay.
And they're at Brokeback Mountain.
Oh, that's good.
And they're at Brokeback Mountain.
You're a cop. Gay cowboys.
It's couples.
All right.
Because I don't know what's happening. You're fine.
So
He owns a diamond store. You identify as a billionaire, but you don't have money. But in your mind, you so you can't use this diamond store to buy diamonds. So you don't have money.
And your ex-gay lovers for a cowboy.
And your
That's such a complicated.
You know, and that's part of it too. Is it's like you've got this information, do with it what you will.
You can't keep coming in here.
Terrence, you know that I always come here to buy the best of which is in town. You know me that well, Terrence.
I know you very well, Rogerio.
Terrence, Terrence, each time I come here, you are always absent.
Well, you know I want to help you, but my boss says your money is no good here.
Terrence! Terrence, you know that I give you the best in town, diamonds and gold.
Rogerio. I love your diamonds and golds. The thing is, they kind of dissolve in water. And that's not really what our plans call.
Terrence, I am offended by what you're saying. I've been giving you everything that I've got.
No, Rogerio, I can't. The truth is, there's someone else.
There's someone else.
Yes.
Since when?
Since forever.
Oh! Since forever? So you mean?
I didn't want to tell you because what we had felt so right. But it's so wrong.
You was in the air. I just felt like, you know.
Please, Rogerio, don't make this harder than it is.
You know that I love you. I love with you with all my heart and soul.
I know, but Margaret wouldn't hear of it.
Margaret!
It's Margaret. It's Margaret, Chantel.
I think you should go. I think you should go.
I am disappointed in you, Terrence. How could you do this to me?
Always.
I wanted to take you to take these drugs and shove them in your ass and take them.
Excuse?
By the end of tonight, these drugs must be in your ass. One day I will.
Hey, Hispaniola, whatever you are, you want me to put drugs? Is that what you're asking me to do?
I am not your friend, my friend. Take these drugs to Australia. You want to them in your ass. You put them in your boyfriend's ass.
I'm not going to put any drugs in
These
your
drugs to Australia, my friend. Otherwise, one bullet in your head.
Okay.
you get to Australia, you give these drugs to there's a grandmother there.
What's the name of the grandma?
The grandmother is Grandma Osolas.
Grandma Hosolo.
Osolas.
Hosoloras.
Don't speak from your mother.
Osoloras.
Osoloras, amigo.
H. Osoloras. Hosoloras. Hosoloras. Loros.
Amigo, I am not going to repeat more. Grandma Osoloras.
Grandma Hosoloras.
When you get to Australia, you tell grandma to put the same drugs in it.
Okay, boss. I will do that.
Now repeat the instructions to me.
So, I am going to take these drugs.
Now I'm standing in your shit.
I'm going to take these drugs and give them. Oh, yeah, no.
It's working.
I don't get back to it.
And give it to Grandma Hosoloras, and then I will put it into her as well.
It will go from 1 year old to the next. From 1 year old to the next.
And the other one shits out.
From 1 year old to the next.
And the other one shits out.
Until they go all the way to Australia.
Until they go all the way to Australia.
One us, another us.
And they shit it again. Is that what you want me to do?
It's a shit story.
It's a shit story. Even if it becomes green, it's fine.
Yes. Green. I don't think we
Shoot.
Let's finish it off.
21, 22, 23.
Yes. 24! 25!
Perfectly next to each other. That's fine. All right, we're gonna do category battle.
Oh my god.
Okay? So the way this game works is I'm gonna mention a category, and then we're gonna take turns listing things under that category until one of you is stumped. Once you're stumped, you're out, and then we'll start with Boo, and you'll go in, and then as people are eliminated until we have a champion, okay? But what's important is you need to cheer on the winner and like boo the loser as well. We want energy. All right, let's get a category.
Okay, I'm gonna be so good, dude. Cover.
Marine.
Cows, baboon, lions, cheetahs, leopards,
Ram.
monkeys,
Lamb.
Cheetahs. Roosters. Hens. Horse.
Porsche,
Kia.
Toyota,
Mercedes.
Hyundai,
Maserati.
Rhyming words. Red.
Words that rhyme with red.
Ted. Fred. Fed. Dead. Bed. Mid. Sid. Ooh, kid. Kid.
Body organs.
This man's got the script, man.
Body organs.
Yeah, who gave this man the script?
Heart. Intestine. Kidneys. Liver. Legs.
Body parts.
Shit.
Body parts, not organs, so therefore body parts.
Types of alcohol.
You like
Brands. Okay.
Bud Light,
Bacardi.
Flying Fish,
Johnny Walker.
Savannah,
Russian Bear.
Henneken.
Absolute. Shit, man.
Good one.
Oh, yeah. Falcon. Emu. Sparrow. Duck. Chicken. Phoenix. Damn it!
And then you're gonna start the scene, and then you're gonna come in when it's time. I'll go get you, and you'll be like, sorry I'm late. You'll never believe what happened. And then you'll start kind of giving clues. And your job is to guess these three things. And as an audience, your job is to like, ooh, if they get close, or like, if they're kind of far. Okay. Yeah, you can like build a scene and make stuff, but you can't be like, you're an accountant.
Oh. You're not late because you're a doctor.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Can I get one volunteer to keep our lovely employee company? Yes. Okay. All right. I'm gonna have you go outside.
Wait. What are we doing?
We're gonna tell you she got to work in a car. She is a, I don't know, space cadet, and she was late because her cow drowned. And then you need to basically charade it to her and be like,
Yeah. So you have to like get through it. So it's like, yeah.
So you have to mind it.
Yeah, you pretty much have to like mind the office and kind of be vague at first, and then if it gets harder, then you know, it's clues.
What she said for director.
Okay, wait. First, why is she late?
Bees.
She was attacked by bees. Okay. So she was late because she was attacked by a swarm of bees. Okay. So let's touch base. You know, like that kind of stuff. Okay. How did she get to work? Okay. And finally, what is a kindergarten teacher?
What's going on with your face?
No, I had a personal problem at home that I can't speak
paintings before?
Oh, I'm a painter.
Aren't we all painters?
Man, did she get attacked by someone?
It looks like rabies, HIV.
I'm a doctor, GP.
Maybe she's not saying straight. Maybe you had an allergic reaction.
Yeah, maybe she's I'm a patient.
Sorry, guys.
These spots on it's like gunk.
Why are you so red? Yeah. Sometimes adults face problems. It's okay.
Is it acne or am I a teenager?
We wouldn't have hired you if you were a teenager. I don't know, maybe it's menopause?
What? Am I a manager?
Man, what's a menopause?
You look... Charlie, is that not itchy? Is like you're not itchy? Like, you look like you're reacting to something. Okay.
CEO.
I have a cream for you, don't worry.
Dermatologist?
Are you like allergic to honey? Can I touch it? Huh?
Can I touch it?
No. Like, are you like allergic to honey or
Am I the person they use for testing products?
I hope not, because that product ruined your face. Guys, maybe she's allergic to pollen. Like there's an allergic reaction clearly going on with this one. Because it's not AIDS. Were you in the garden? The garden with the kids or last night? Like your face is
Am I a
swollen.
teacher?
Oh, yes. So,
My cousin looked like that one time.
when did she look like that? We need you
When
to
she
go
was outside.
teach. Are you fine? Can you see?
She was hitting a tree.
I'm worried about your vision.
Yeah, because there's a lot of
Insects out there, you know? Well, I mean, right now she definitely needs glasses.
Yeah.
I mean,
okay.
there's a lot of insects out there. So
My geek teacher.
Are you a geek teacher?
Yes.
Man, why were you so late
A
for class?
geekish teacher.
Oh yeah, I had problems with transport. I took the wrong bus and then I realized.
Did you have to rush through the forest?
It was a very clear sky. So
All we're asking for, alright, ma'am, is why is there like red stuff on your face? And we know there's a lot of insects out there. So we're asking, are you allergic to honey, pollen, and these insects? So what is causing this red nonsense on your face?
Was I in the back of a van? With going through a forest with trees.
Maybe it was the strong wind.
The wind, man? Oh, it's spring as well, so there's
Yes.
a lot of things
in
buzzing around.
attacks.
Yeah, like, do you think something might have caused that red thing? Like, there's a lot of insects out there, you know?
Taxi.
You're in a taxi.
Did I walk?
Like, where did this happen, the red stuff? Was it pollen, honey, like an insect thing? Like,
Were the people trying to hijack me?
like maybe you hijacked for it, or
She had hijacked in the sky.
Did you see?
Flies, I flew.
Did you see? Okay. Did you see a lot of orange
A lot of
on your way here?
like something yellowish?
sunflowers.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So what was around the sunflowers? Like, what could have possibly happened at the sunflower?
Why are you so late?
Buzzing around.
Bees.
Why were you late?
Shit.
There was
Because I had an allergic reaction.
two.
Bees.
driving like a very like large-ish vehicle, and I like very interesting. But I don't think you should live there. Why are you limping? Yeah, like why are you all busted? Like you look red,
Hold on, let me just fix your helmet quickly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fixing your helmet.
I mean, I survived the crash.
Crash!
Hey!
What hit you?
Don't tell the police.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? He has to tell the police.
Then I got wrecked by something incredibly
look like
large
you-
by the damage of his whole thing.
Oh my gosh, was anyone else hurt?
No, just me. The driver of the other car, was it a car?
What type? Like what type of
Truck.
I don't think it would do that damage.
Yeah.
A train must have hit me.
No. Jimmy, how are you? Like someone that would have been.
Maybe you were on the school route or something.
A bus must have hit me.
How did it hit you? Like,
What
and
are you doing?
And while you do that, can you please just get us into the building?
Yeah, because that lady there, Yoshi, wants a like new bus machine. Like she wants
like
one of those fancy top loaders that you want like climbing into.
Also, there's a line outside for people who want the new iPhone.
Yeah.
And my iPhone, I stole.
How do I washing machine? You are like the top person here.
I'm the CEO.
Oh, not that high, Toby, not that high. Humble.
I think you need to remember who your boss is.
Yes.
Okay, I'm the manager.
No.
You are late, woman.
how did the
I'm a
bus
janitor.
teach you? What were you doing?
Yeah,
How were you getting
it?
here?
Like,
I was
the helmet?
riding my bike.
Okay. While I was driving my bus, I saw something. It was you. So
So I was riding my bike
Yeah.
to work. That's why I'm late, and the bus hit me.
That's nice.
Oh.
But now I'm here.
You know, I really
open.
just want to
iPhones.
I want to buy an
Open
iPhone.
up
And I want to check out the new like
And
computer
the washing
stuff
machines.
that
Don't
they
forget
have.
the
I want someone who's going to tell me what this iPhone is so I can buy it.
Oh yeah, and we
I
need to
don't know.
replace the SSD of this one laptop.
Yeah, I really want to know.
Computer shop.
What?
Computer shop?
The washing machine! I'm not a washing machine, I'm washing the washing machine!
Technology shop.
We really want to buy stuff.
Yeah. You know, there's a movie I also like.
Oh, that animation.
Yes! When the lady that's like shit!
Why was he late for work?
He found out he has herpes.
Yes.
He found out he has
Okay.
dancing, eh?
Take it off! Take it off!
Wait, did I get that right? My stripper.
You've been going home with too many ladies. It caught up to you, bro.
Oh, man.
It must be burning right now. I think you need a clap. Get it checked out. Get it checked out. I'm sure it burns when you pee as well.
Oh, okay. So I'm carrying something down there.
Down under, man.
Burning down
It was
under,
gone,
man.
but it came back, bro. Yeah. Can you imagine how much worse with the chafing getting here?
Is this an STD that I
Yeah, you really need to get it checked, bro. And once you have it, you always got it. It doesn't leave you.
HIV?
No, it's not that bad.
Not that bad.
It's not that bad. You all have it. Listen, it's not that bad. You and 1 out of 4 people. Some got it on the lips. Yeah. Some got it on the lips. But it's just you.
Okay, so it's not
It is.
Yeah.
It's a very popular one.
No, it's like
The most popular one.
It's like the one that
We've all seen it once.
It's like sometimes it's like here.
Yeah, but it's crazy. Bunch of feet sore from their journey to work though. How's the guys on the bike? How's the quads doing? Yeah, plus those are the right shoes for the job.
I mean, I like to run.
You said HIV, but I would swap 1 letter out. But you give a scientific name.
What? Are you talking about HPV?
Yeah! The term of that is. The normal term is? You can't run from it, come on. You learn to walk, but you can't run from that. You got the hard word down, now the easy word for it. HPV. H. You should know, bro, you haven't been condomizing for this.
I don't know, man. I need to learn from this, man.
Which rapper got it against it? Many rappers have had it.
Usher
had it. Usher had it and gave it to people.
Okay, I need to get rid of this herpes.
Take a dog.
Record time.
Nice. 3 of you on stage, the other 3 of you are going to just kind of like stand in the back against the wall waiting to enter. We're going to set it up so basically you're in a soapy. We're going to come up with like a very serious topic that the 3 of you are dealing with, right? And pretty much the name of the game is whoever breaks, so whoever laughs, has to exit the scene and then 1 more person comes on, okay? And it's really almost like a last person standing sort of game. But you're still going to create a scene, okay? So let's have 3 stay on. Whoever wants to stay. All right, perfect. You can have chairs, you can build the scene. Let me get a relationship between these 3.
Siblings,
okay. And what sort of serious drama is happening between them?
Incest.
Oh my God.
incest. Jeez.
They're identical triplets.
One of them doesn't belong to the same dad. They're triplets, but one of them doesn't belong to the same dad.
Okay, okay. Mine doesn't work.
Okay.
No.
Okay, this is what we're doing.
We're not doing it too. I'm ready.
Okay, you're identical siblings, or not identical siblings, but like you're triplets, okay? So you're
subject hospital.
And then just something to know. We're gonna pack some sort of incestuous love story in there, and that's one of your jobs, okay? All right. So we know the rules of the game, right? Sure. You just have to make each other laugh.
Okay. Can we speak any language?
The family ring. You also have a family ring, right?
Right. And
Why is she sitting there?
because this is just like.
Lovely.
Yeah, and we were this close in the womb, right?
Don't say that.
Sure. Yeah, like, I think it's better when we're young, you know?
I mean, do you ever feel singular? Like, is there something?
What are you trying to tell me?
You know how people are like, oh no, she's so different and stuff. When you like come out and you go
They were just telling me something. I'm not sure who you are. Who you go first?
Oh.
So they say, oh, that's
Yeah, you're a new character.
Oh.
So,
We're still sisters.
you can be another sister.
There's 4 of us.
the family affair.
Y'all, even though we're sisters, been secretly seeing each other.
Okay.
Yes, that is what we have to tell you.
See, this is how I knew I needed therapy, but like I didn't understand why.
No, you know it.
Not yet. Sure. We wanted you to invite you to join.
Do you want to come?
So we can be the 3 of us.
That's crazy. So you guys have seen each other. As in like in a relationship.
But we want to see you.
I thought,
Guys, I've been seeing you guys separately. And I'm like, share it.
oh! That explains the underwear I found. Like honestly, I thought.
I'm so sorry.
That's tough.
I don't mind seeing both of you. It's really that way.
Right. I'm gonna have to think about it.
I think it looks great.
Why are you wasting on time?
She's exploring.
Is that why you can hang out with my dad?
Oh, jeez.
You can announce yourself if you have a new character.
I'll be the mom of the triplets. Where's your sister?
Which one?
The one who just left.
There's
There's 4, because there were 4 of us.
We don't even know, like, everyone here could be like,
Who knows? I only have 3 kids.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't think so. The way you know how to throw a shoe at us.
I'll be the dad. Let's pause that for a sec.
Pause what?
Dad. I'm not really sure how to tell you this. I think your sisters were trying. You know the whole family ring that you don't have? And the family support you do get. They did, they just didn't tell you. The real reason is I didn't know until now. You're not really my child.
That's Are any of them?
I don't really know. I just know for a fact you're not.
That's
It was the hair.
It's okay. I figured. I did.
I'm sorry I had to let you know.